Hi guys, it's me Elaine and welcome back to the channel. And those of you who are just coming for the first time, Happy New Year. My name is Elaine and today we are going to be cleaning together. So there's just something about a clean house. When the house is clean, you breathe in clean air, fresh air. You think straight, you feel good, you feel better. Everything about it just feels good. I hate this my bed because it's so low, like what the hell? I'm thinking of what to do to this room. There's something wrong about this room. Is it the rug? I hate brown rugs because they have a way of making your room look dirty. So I don't know. I'm just thinking I want to change this rug because I just can't deal with brown rugs. So over to the living room. I did makeup for my friend the previous day. Not the previous day, that morning. Is it not Saturday? Yeah. I did makeup for her that morning, so my dining table is messed up. That was where we had everything done. So yeah, after that, I'm going to clean the table, then all my dirty clothes into the wash. As of this point, I need help with my what's it called, Xmas tree, because tell me why you have all the zeal, the happiness, the grace to set up your Christmas tree before Christmas, and after Christmas the Christmas tree becomes like the hardest job to do, because up till now my Christmas tree is still standing and I have no zeal. I have zero zeal to unpack it. Is it to unpack it or to pack it? What's the right word to use there? Because right now I'm tired of seeing it. Like, the season is over and I want it gone, but I'm so lazy to pack it. See who decides to dance to the song she's listening to. If there's something I don't know how to do in this my life, is to dance. I cannot dance to save myself. Like, it's the hardest thing to do. And here is the after of my living room. Everywhere is so clean. I'm so happy with myself because you see the reset. Sometimes resetting is so hard to do because you'll be so tired. But my kitchen is also tidy and I'm so happy. And if you've watched up to this time, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.